Shark versus Train, written by Chris Barton, illustrated by Tom Lichtenheld. Grr. Chug, grr, chug. I'm going to chew you up and spit you out. Oh, I'm going to finish you, mackerel breath. Who will win? Well, that depends on if they're in the ocean. How's that furnace working for you? Or on railroad tracks? Can we make it 2 out of 3? If they're on a seesaw? Or in hot air balloons? Loose caboose? Or roasting marshmallows? Drat. Eating pies? I could go for some coal. Or having a burping contest. Burp? Belch! It depends on whether they're bowling. That counts as a strike, right? This is why you guys have a bad reputation. Shooting baskets. Foul. He's crushing me too. Or going off the high dive. Eek! Running lemonade stands. Have more. I've got plenty. What do you mean it's a little watery? Trick-or-treating. The clown is very hungry. Or giving rides at a carnival. Shark rides, free. Train rides, $1. It can depend on who gets to pick first. Let me see. Which one? Who names the game? Your choice. Oh, I see riding the rails, battle train, trainial pursuit, tractionary, caboose and ladders. Oh, those are all great games for train, aren't they? And who deals the cards? Go fish. I believe these cards are marked. But who wins if they're playing hide and seek? Or trying not to get shushed? Chug, 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 woo, woo, scream. Quiet. Shark! But I wasn't doing anything. Performing in a piano recital. Sorry, the sound of the sea always gives me the munchies. I guess I hit that last note a little hard. Or playing extreme zombie squirrel motocross. Sure would help if we had thumbs. Yep. Oh, they're both struggling with these things, aren't they? Exploring distant galaxies. We need to find some train tracks. I have a bad feeling about this. Or sword fighting on a tightrope. Sword fight? I thought we were having swordfish. Couldn't we do this on a bridge or in a depot?
I'll just wait right here.
Or, okay, this is getting ridiculous. Now would be a good time for a break. Boys, lunch. Oh, the toys go back in the box. Next time, your history soot spewer. Next time, you're sunk, squid slurper. End of the line. Shark versus train. Until next time, adios, amigos. Goodbye.